everyone. Hope that you are keeping well.
We would like to invite you to see a little bit what we do in our independent workouts. This is something that we usually do weekly or daily for our dance practice, for our dance teaching, and that's what we're going to share with you today.
I like to start with the core to keep it strong.
For me, to work the aerobics in the machine, in the Pilates machine, is easier with my knees. I have operations on one of my right knee and the other is quite weak. So it's the safest way to do aerobics. But I do run in the park as well because it's different.
I used to have very weak ankles, and doing this exercise made me to keep them stronger and help me a lot with the planeos and the enrosques.
I cannot really use much weight, put weights on my workout. I prefer the resistance band. It works much more at the ligament level.
The tricep exercise I am doing is to help me with the tango embrace. The idea is to engage the tricep when I am giving the resistance and not to engage the shoulder, because at some point the muscle of the shoulder become tired and then the arm collapse very easy. I do Kung Fu, and this helped me to be really aware of my shoulders. It's a big isolation between the muscle effort and the movement itself.
It has been fantastic to share with you our experiences, our individual training. It is important that we all look at our bodies on a personal level, in a personal way. We shall keep nurturing our bodies, caring for our mind, for our health, and hopefully when we enter the dancing, we can fully enjoy the ride.
And we would like to invite you to May the 1st, coming Friday, 1 to 2 p.m. If you're doing the Solo Technique workout that we published a few weeks before, the Zoom tutorial will be next Friday from 1 to 2.
Thank you very much. Hope that you are keeping well. Take care. Bye.